what has been going on. Basically, it's been super busy. I last vlogged that we were going to move out. That's still in the works. Still doing some finishing on the new place. And I built my new PC for my new office, or my only office, I guess, because my office right now is in the bedroom. Today, I got my books. I have a lot of orders from them, so those are currently pending. From this order alone, I have 4 books that are in transit, or 2 books in transit, 2 book sets also in transit, and 1 that's waiting for a published date. So right now I have 3 sets with me. I think they're all labor due though. Yeah, they are. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 2022. So it's January 1st and I'm actually gonna go out and do a little weekend girls trip. It's just staycation, but Alex and Sasha aren't here, so they actually won't be able to come with me on floor. And Luis, obviously it's a girls trip, he won't be coming, but he's also sick. Okay, he has an ear infection, so I'm gonna go out and buy him some tramadol because it's the only pain reliever that's working, and at least it put him to sleep. So that's what I'm gonna do first. Stock up on that, wait for Ford to arrive, and then we're gonna head out. Ready na to rampa. Dili ka akong video bagag no sa mirror to be. Ready to rampa 2022, pero naatag ulan. So Food Panda na lang, same as 2021. Shut up. Ano kaya ba? It's the morning after. Well, pa-lunch na pala. We just Food Panda at McDonald's. It was raining, so we didn't go out. And right now, parang drizzling na lang. But I don't. Well, we both don't want to swim because there are like old people by the pool. And we're not about that sugar daddy life. But anyway, Flora is taking a bath. So, I don't know what's the agenda. Maybe we'll be by the pool later. I don't know. We'll see. Ang sarap kasi matulog. So, walay swimming nga nahitabo. Kaya nakamatamig 5 plus. But nag-dinner na may Cafe Racer. And then that's it. And then we're back and it's 10. And mag-dub na siya. And then ako manghibash na girl.
Pero hindi in-express my face. I-earn yan. Talaga, Charmaine. Fuck you. Ayan o. Chicken. There's here in the chicken. Yung maya. Nakatawa naman.
It's January 3 and it's actually 11 plus already. And 11:03. We're checking out 12. But we're gonna make the most out of our stay and take a dip at the pool. So, duh. Na. So we're gonna change and pack up and go home. Floor to be. Hey, it's May 14. I'm still at work and I'm actually supposed to be preparing for a staycation. So it's an overnight stay and I'm actually just joining along, coming along because Floor won like in our team building. So she won an overnight stay. She's bringing me along. So that's what's happening. I think I'm bringing you guys along. We'll see. And actually, after I log out of work, 11 a.m. No, I log out of work like 9 a.m. But by 11 a.m., I'm going to have my first therapy session. I've always wanted to do one. I never felt like an urgent need until now. I think it should have been a couple of weeks back. I actually broke down a little over a month ago during work. But then I felt the same even when things are a little bit calmer on my end. So, I don't know what's gonna happen. Still getting crazy. So yeah, before shit hits the fan, I'm going to see a therapist. Because things are a little bit calmer now, I don't know what to say. So. To Coco Cubano, pero manoan pa rin me. So, bye. Either she's back, I guess. Yeah. We're on our way to Coco Cubano na. This is really is it. We ate.
Guba yung kuan.
Ano ba yan?
Sige na. Loy, ulang po yung nakabangga.
Daghan magbagal. Uy,
Murag buutan naman ang kuan.
Ta.
Naglaki. Dibraso.
Wala, di ko ganahan mo lang tao. Gahot akong dughan.
Eh, buutan na to ang kawan na. Dira to na kabaro. Klaro na siya. No?
Five check na ni Luis ay isa ka lang.
Gahot akong dughan, baby.
Uy, kayo no.
Dili mo balikan, babe?
Asa din yung kuan ng kuan? Kape.
Starbucks. Ano ka ba ng Starbucks? Di ka mo tabang naman. Ha? Tabang-tang man lang? Buwi mo kung mano. Buwi ko, yun ay bata.
Ano tayo batang nga man?
Nay bata, di ba Flor?
Naibata sa tubang.
Marag na okay naman.
Sure?
Wala na. Buutan na lagi to. Mailan naman gusto na itong laki ganyan.
Sige, dala na to pulis ha.
No.
Yeah. Sige daw na. Sige ra mo tuyo, kada na asbang na. Napa?
Turaan, imunong gani ang turaan.
Wala.
Imunong gani ang babae nga naka-course.
Oo, pangutana ko nung okay ra.
Naluoy sila, uy.
Kay? Ano uy?
Or luoy na sa naong to.
Oo, pangutana. Mask, babe! Uy! Magpipidikab mo. Saan ni mana kay ma? Anas ko ipidikab.
Wala sa manigatapok lagi ni dagan yung pasahero. Taking advantage of the situation. Ano siya? Dili na siya ka-drive. Dili na ta siya ka-drive. Sakay dagan niya.
Sige, ipatong mo na ang bags. Siya na. Ibalhin sa ang bag sa likod.
Padala, ikaw na sa pakot ka na.
Sinelas ni mo lang ga.
Sinelas.
Yung yabi.
Okay na? Ate ba?
Okay na.
Samat sa manong yung bata.
Asan ito sila dadon?
Di arat bang school.
Yeah, crossing. Pag liko sa atong
Uli?
na dumbulan ako.
Gitaga, okay naman. Ginantay kong buutang na itong laki. Gitaga, no, 1.5 yung bata.
Pag liko niya yung kali,
Asa
mag-limaw.
ilang motor? Ay, yung motor ko ya.
Gidala, giguyod siya.
Address ako. Bayaw.
Lenny, itong nitabang nila. Kanang, ay dili, dili.
Sira, di ka lagi magmahal. Ako na ba yung balikan sila?
Dili itong laki may niyataga ng 1.5. Ang katong bahay may niyataga ng 1.5.
Adira wala.
Mo ba?
Ay, isa, ay, okay na.
Kasi wala ka na i-open weirdo lang.
Bye-bye.
I-drop pa na to sila?
Okay ra nung. Okay ra jud mo, sure ka?
Okay ra ko.
Okay.
Sige, sige.
Ang ako rang kani ako.
Oh.
Bata ko to.
Okay ra man ka.
Okay ra ko.
Dong.
Ping mo kuya.
Dong, okay ra, di ra sakit kayo. Okay, bye-bye.
Ha?
Send out the pagi away.
See, the heart of volunteerism is awake in all of us.
Una, di siya ganamo to ganong tagki sa presidente kay murag ulaw sa ba. Sa Lenny ko. Sa okay ra, lima na.
Iwan ang kitaon.
Ang katong laki ko no, okay ra kay nangayar mong pasensya.
Perfect up. For Hannah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.